Hey, we're actually on the way to my Airbnb. My team just gave me a notification that, hey, the unit is furnished. Boss, come check it out. So we're gonna go check this unit out. While I'm on the way there, I want to let you guys know what I did today. I have 8 different companies. Most of the industries that I'm in, they're all real estate related. So I have a real estate wholesale company. We got a rideshare company that has 73 cars. We have a repair shop. We got a fix and flip company. We have a few dozen rentals, Airbnb units. I have a virtual staffing company. I have about 430 employees there. Yeah, every day what I do, I just give an hour to each company. With the correct systems, process, and people in place, you start delegating, automating all these tasks. All right. So right now we're actually going to the Airbnb unit. So that's what I'm doing this hour. They're actually interior designers, and they're local here in the Chicagoland area. I've used them many times before, so this time we're gonna see what they did. I spent about $2,000 for the designing fee, and I trust them to do what they do best, right? Because if I did everything myself, I would be burnt out. So, with that being said, guys, learn how to delegate. I mean, one person can't do anything, but together, you can do everything. Chicago Police, man. Thank you for your service, all the police officers, and I really appreciate you guys keeping the neighborhoods good and clean. Shout out to the POs, shout out to the cops. Yeah, so guys, when I was younger, I used to live on the apartment 3D. So little 1-bedroom apartment with 6 family members. And then right next to it was, let me show you guys, was a graveyard. So right outside my window, you can see the whole graveyard. My mom used to be scared every single night. She'd tell my dad, I don't feel safe here. I don't feel safe. We got to get out of here. Every night until I was 8 years old. And I used to hear all that stuff. 1-bedroom apartment, 6 family members, my mom, my dad, my 3 younger brothers, and me. And then we used to live right next to a funeral home. This shit was scary, haunted, fucking. I like the architecture, but it's fucking haunted. Let me show you guys. And every time I pass by it, I get shivers. So I want to show you guys. I'm gonna make a U-turn. Chicago, baby. This is a real Shaw City. Now we pull up in a Porsche. Go see what's up with my city. Come on. Just a matter of years could change your life. If you just stay committed, stay focused, stay humble. You just gotta have the determination. You gotta stay motivated, whatever the goal is. If you're just hungry enough, you're gonna make it happen. Coming next to my apartment building that I grew up here from when I was born to 8 years old. And this is the church that I was right across. Look at this, my apartment building. The top one was mine, all the way in the top 3D, that's mine. And from outside the window, you could see this right here, haunted funeral home. Look at this, great architecture, ain't gonna lie, but farewell, and God bless all the ones that aren't here today. I hope God gives them highest level of heaven, even though they're not Muslims, but hey, they're still creation of God. We still care for every single one of us. Yeah, guys, we're actually on the way to the Airbnb now. Just a little memory lane. Welcome to my Airbnb unit. We're actually furnishing this. This is a studio unit. In this unit, we just got in the couches, the rugs, we got some tables, we got the TV, we got some plants. We are waiting for some more decor. So that's coming in. We just got the Wi-Fi, maybe another 2 to 3 days for my team to get everything set up, right? So this specific unit, if I were to rent it out to a long-term tenant, it would make me $1,200. But now, after putting this unit on AirDNA, which tells me the comparables of what this unit's gonna bring on a monthly basis, it's telling me it's gonna give me a 3x return, which means this unit, after furnishing, after putting it on Airbnb, is gonna bring me $3,600, right? So it's a 3x return. Who wouldn't wanna do that? And the great thing is I don't own this unit. I rented this unit from a different landlord, and I told the landlord, hey, I'm gonna do a short-term rental on this unit, and I'm gonna give you that $1,200. I'll put it under my corporation, and that's what we did. So let me know how this unit looks. We're gonna put some final pictures. We're gonna put the listing up there too, so you guys can check it out. But so far, we got some of the things in there. Show them the bathroom up in here. Let's talk about Airbnb arbitrage and how it works. So first thing you do is you go on Zillow and Redfin and you look at properties for rent. Then you call every single property on that list. Now you ask them, hey, I'm a short-term rental provider. I cater to travel nurses, business professionals, and other travel enthusiasts. Then, once they say yes, you take that property address, you put it on AirDNA. AirDNA will tell you what the comparables are in that area. So if the rent is $1,000 for an example, and AirDNA is saying, hey, this is gonna bring you $3,000 or $5,000, that's a 3x, 5x return. So after paying the landlord his $1,000, his rent, you can still profit 2x, 3x the amount, right? So that's what Airbnb arbitrage is. You're leveraging someone else's asset and you're making a profit from it. So, it's a great opportunity, especially in today's day and age. You don't have to play with interest. You don't have to take any loans, right? Which is against my religion, so I can't even do that. So I'm leveraging other people's assets, furnishing it, putting on Airbnb, and leveraging that to where the landlord's making money, and so am I, right? So it's a win-win situation. And also the people that are coming to stay in the Airbnb are having a phenomenal time. It's more comfortable living in an Airbnb than living in a hotel, right? So get your own freedom, right? You can do whatever you want here. Look into Airbnb arbitrage. And if you do want more information on how to start your own Airbnb and you want mentorship, because a mentor will help you skip those hurdles, right? And me having 20 plus units and having industry knowledge, I've been doing it for 6 years, right? The whole business aspect and real estate aspect of things. If you want me as a mentor, DM me Airbnb at iHustleBro. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, and looking forward to talking to you.